Someone so close to my heart, and she is my mom.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again, and I'm so happy and excited to be back with another video. And this video is the first video of 2021, so I wish every one of you a very happy new year. So today in this video we have a YouTuber with us, and I'm gonna ask her some few questions and she will be answering to my questions. So she will be introducing herself, so let me not talk too much and let's get straight into the video. So guys, today Leche Koza is here with us, and the name of her YouTube channel is Christ is the Reason Leche Koza. Many of you might have come across this channel because most of the time I mention her channel in my videos. So Leche, today we are so much happy and excited to have you here, and we do really hope and believe that you will be answering us in such a way that many of us are going to learn a lot from you and know more about Christ. So before we get into the first question, can you please introduce yourself to us?
First of all, hello everyone. My name is Leche Koza, and I'm presently studying in Patkai Christian College doing my BSc final year. And our family is serving as a missionary here in Arunachal Pradesh. And before answering your questions, Kenny, I would like to thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to collaborate with you. And yeah, it's really a great honor.
Thank you so much, Leche, for introducing yourself. So now let's get started. So the first question is, who is a person of faith that you look up to and inspires you?
That person who inspires me the most is someone so close to my heart, and she is my mom. Yes, she is the woman of faith that I look up to. She is the one who inspires me the most, because the way that she loves God, the way that she worships God every morning, like it touches my heart so much. She is such a good woman, like such a godly woman, a woman who loves God the most. So yes, she's the one I look up to, and I'm so much inspired by her.
You are indeed truly blessed to have such a wonderful mother in your life. Now the next question is, what makes you feel most alive?
The Word of God is what makes me feel most alive, because whenever I'm feeling down or discouraged, whenever I feel like I'm alone, whenever I cannot feel God's love or presence, it is the Bible that reminds me of His constant love and presence. So yes, it is the Word of God that keeps me most alive, that makes me feel most alive.
Now the next question is, tell a moment in your life you knew that God was real.
There are so many moments in my life where God has showed up, but to be honest, I don't think there has to be an extraordinary moment to tell me that God is real, because the nature itself is so beautiful. Like when I look around myself, I see so many beautiful mountains, so many wonderful trees. Like these things cannot exist by its own. There has to be a creator behind the scene. So for me, as simple as a new day, new sunshine is enough for me to know that God is real. All the creations of God remind me and tell me that God is real.
Wow, that's a beautiful answer. So the next question is, what is the one song that really impacted your life journey?
There are so many beautiful songs that I've listened to which have impacted my life, but if I had to name one that impacted my life the most, I would say it's No Greater Love by Rachel Lampa. It's such a beautiful song, like you guys should definitely listen to it. And the first time I heard this song, it actually brought tears to my eyes. Like it is a really good song. That song really touched my heart. So yeah, No Greater Love is the song that impacted my life the most.
Okay, thank you so much for the answer. So guys, let us not forget to check out this song so that every one of us will be blessed as well. So now the next question is, tell about a tough time in your life God ended up using for good.
There are so many tough times in my life which have helped me to get stronger, which helped me to understand people better. But this one that I faced recently is something that helped me to understand brokenness. It helped me to get closer to God. And that thing is broken friendship. Yes, this broken friendship helped me to realize that it is only God who will satisfy us completely. It is only God who will never leave your hand. He is the only one who will never break your heart. I really thank God that He has restored this friendship, but because of this situation, because of this thing that I've faced, I've learned so many countless things. Like, I've learned that it is only God whom we should trust the most. So yes, this broken friendship is what impacted me so much. It helped me to get closer to God. It helped me to build a closer relationship with God. And this thing taught me that it is the best. It is best if we have the closest relationship with Jesus and with no one else.
Thank you so much, Liche, for sharing with us a little bit about yourself, what you went through, and telling us about a tough time you went through recently, and how did God, ended up using this for your good. So thank you so much. And now the next question is, if you could hang out with Jesus any place in the world, where would you go?
This is a really interesting question, Kenny. I thank you so much for questioning me this. Like, if I got a chance to hang out with Jesus, it would be somewhere, like many people would say Jerusalem, but yes, Jerusalem would be great to hang out with Jesus, but that's somewhere that we're gonna live with Him. So for me, I would actually let Jesus pick the place for us to hang out. A place which is quiet, a place that is very peaceful, where no one would interrupt, where I can forget about the world, like where it would be only me and Jesus, where I can talk to Him, have lots of endless sweet conversations. Like, just thinking about this is making me feel so super amazing. So yes, I need to really go out with Him and like hang out with Him right now.
Thank you so much for answering to this question, and I'm so happy that you are so much excited with this question. Question is, in difficult times in your life, have you felt closer or farther from God? Why do you think that is?
I actually feel distant from God in difficult times. I'm not gonna lie about that, but wait, that happens initially. Because the more distant I get from God, the more I realize that I am helpless and I cannot do anything on my own. I need God's help. This is what I realize even as I get distant from God. So yes, in difficult times as a human being, I feel distant from God. I feel like I'm going very far away from God, but that actually helps me to get closer to God. Because the more distant I am, the more I realize that I need God more. So yes, initially I feel distant, but eventually it only brings me closer to God.
Thank you so much for these answers. Actually, I am already blessed listening to all your answers, and now I do believe that all the viewers are also blessed listening to your answers. So now the next question is, can you just give an advice on how to read the Bible or how to start a Bible study?
Well, I'm not a Bible teacher, and I don't know if this thing's gonna be helpful to some of you, but I'm gonna be sharing with you the thing that helps me, like what works for me personally. So the first thing that you gotta do, and which you must do, is that start with prayer. Ask God to help you to understand the passage that you're gonna study, and try to get rid of all the distractions around you, like turn off your phone and then close your door and try to get real cozy. And the second thing that you have to do is choose a passage for yourself to study. And you don't need to study Bible in sequence, because you can choose any random topic from the Bible, a topic that you like, a topic that you're familiar with, or also the thing that you're going through right now. For example, it might be about love, it might be about forgiveness, it might be about temptations or hardships. So you can also take the help of Google to find out a topic for you. Thirdly, what you have to do is that you have to ask these 5 questions for yourself. So the first question is, what is this passage talking about? Like, generally what that passage is trying to tell you. You got to figure that out. And number 2 is that, what are the things that you have to remember? Number 3, is there any warning that you have to be careful about? And number 4, how can you apply it in your life? Like in your daily life, how can you apply that passage? And the fifth one is that what are the takeaways that you can take from that Bible verse? So that's how I study it. Like there might be many more ways to study the Bible effectively, but I've shared with you what I use, the strategy that I use. So I hope it will be helpful to you as well.
Thank you so much for answering to this question. I do really believe that, everyone watching this video, are learning something or the other. So thank you so much for this answer. So now the next question is, what advice would you give to a new Christian?
I would say pray more, study the Bible every day, and also you can watch godly videos on YouTube. Like that will really help you. But the most important thing that you gotta do as a new believer is stay connected to the church. Like that's the most important thing you gotta do, because without church, it's more likely that you will backslide. Like it's sure that you're gonna backslide if you do not go to church. So never miss church services, never miss fellowships, never miss Christian gatherings. Always be involved in Christian activities. Try to make friends with believers. Like try to hang out more with Christians. So yeah, that advice, like this is the advice that I would give to a newborn Christian if you want to get closer to God.
Guys, if you are a new Christian and watching this video, make sure that you take this advice and it will definitely help you grow in your spiritual journey. So now the next question is, what advice would you give to the people who have backslided from their faith?
Okay, so the first thing you gotta do is try to bring back all the memories that you have with God, all those sweet memories, the satisfaction, the joy that you had when you were close to Him. So, and yeah, also try to remember the bad things that He got you out of, the things that, all the memories, like try to bring those things back. And what do you do when you spoil a relationship with someone? You apologize, right? So it's the same thing with God as well. The human relationship that you have with others, that's the same relationship that you have with God as well. Like it's pretty much the same. So try to apologize, try to make things better, try to say sorry. Like you have to say sorry to God for the things that hurt Him. And also, try to talk more, try to pray more, and also do not repeat the things that hurt God. Do not repeat the things that let you backslide. So yes, that's the thing. That's the advice that I will give to a backslidden Christian.
Thank you so much, Leche, for this answer. I am pretty sure that this answer might help someone watching this video and, help them come back to where they are before and enjoy their life journey with Jesus again. Now the next question is, what and who inspired you to become a YouTuber?
Well, the fact is, I always wanted to do this because even as I used to watch Christian YouTubers making gospel videos, I wanted to do the same. But the person who inspired me, the person who motivated me to do this is my precious mom. Yes, she's so super supportive and I'm so grateful to God for her. And yeah, thank you so much, Mom, for helping me be a Christian YouTuber. I love you.
Like I've said earlier, you are so much blessed to have a wonderful, a beautiful, powerful, and supportive mother in your life. I also really, get inspired whenever I listen to her sermons. So, may God bless your mom. May God continue to use her even in the days to come. And so, now this is the last and final question. Can you tell me some challenges you face as a Christian YouTuber?
Well, in the world of YouTube, where obviously mukbangs, ASMRs, funny prank videos, movies, and what? Korean dramas that, you obviously know that these are the kings and queens of YouTube. So in today's world, it is so difficult to draw people's attention towards gospel videos, and especially like a channel like mine, which is not very big, it's very difficult to draw people like into my videos. So yeah, that's the biggest thing I face as a small Christian YouTuber, to let people watch my videos for a longer duration. So yes, dear people, please try to watch more gospel videos. That's a request from me to you.
Thank you so much for all your answers. I myself, I am so much blessed, and I do believe that all the viewers are blessed watching this video, listening to all your answers. So, as we have come to an end of this video, I request you to please say a few words of encouragement to all my subscribers and viewers.
At the end, I would like to encourage all the viewers by saying that always stay connected to God no matter what. I don't know what you're going through right now. You might be at the highest, at the happiest phase of your life, or you might be at the lowest point of your life. I don't know. But no matter what, no matter how or where you may be, always remember that God's love is constant. His love never changes. People may change, situations may change, you may change, but God never changes. So always keep that in mind. And I will not say always stay happy, because it's totally alright to cry sometimes. It's really okay to be sad sometimes, to be discouraged sometimes. But all I want to say is that be strong no matter what. Stay connected to God. Love God even when you do not feel like loving Him. So that's the thing that I want to encourage all the viewers. And lastly, I would like to thank Kenei Angami for letting me collaborate with her. It was really fun. It was really interesting answering all your questions. I really enjoyed making this video. Thank you so much for your love. And yeah, I would like to have you on my channel as well. So yes, thank you so much. That's all. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Leche, for being a part of this video, and thank you once again for accepting my request to collaborate with me. And today I really want to thank you for your constant love and support, because you inspired me to start up my own YouTube channel. So thank you so much for your constant love and support. And I, on behalf of my YouTube family, really want to thank you for your beautiful and wonderful answers, because I am pretty sure that all the viewers are blessed listening to your answers. So thank you so much once again. And guys, please make sure that you go and visit her channel, subscribe to her channel, and please help her grow more. In her channel, you will get to see a lot of original songs, cover songs, family singing together, emotional birthday party vlogs, and also live worship, and lots more. And I'll give her channel link in my description below, so please go and check her channel. Thank you so much, guys, once again. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.